What up, though? Traders Ambition family, it's been a minute. Thank you for being patient with your boy. Just giving you an update. So, for the past 6 months, I have tried to re enter the job market in my current field. And, yesterday, man, I just knew I had this job locked in, right? Yeah, they loved you. Oh, they had nothing but great things to say about you. You did great. Okay, awesome. I get a call yesterday. You did all that, man. Yeah, you were amazing. But they went with somebody else. Hey, wait, what? I'm not bitter. Maybe a little bit. Because, nothing about my worth can be shown during these conversations. And I'm trying not to be cynical, but oftentimes feels like a waste of time. Like, hey, you're qualified, you're great, but. And that's why trading is so important. It's so important. It's important for you to be able to control your own income. Maximizing these contracts out to where we don't have to worry about tap dancing in front of these people for these interviews and for them to be like, no. And I'm also terrified because this is not going to be here anymore. I don't know how secure things will be by doing what I'm about to do. And maybe, to be honest, maybe that's what I needed. To get out of my comfort zone. To actually do what I've been wanting to do for decades. I built an actual app. I would have never done that while working. It's these things, and I'm working with a few other channels too to help grow their channels. I'm doing that. It's crazy to me how these things happen to you, even when, you're focused, you're so focused on the 9 to 5 path. Yes, this is the way. Nah, not so much. Anyways, point of this video, guys, is to say that, sometimes you gotta make a leap in life. And you gotta jump directly into the uncertainty. I've been out here for 6 months. It's not fun. I don't know if you saw yesterday, but Amazon just laid off 16,000 people. 16,000 people are fresh out of security. They thought they were good. They had amazing careers, bro. They woke up expecting every day to be just as normal as it was. And then they get told you're unemployed now. I don't care what you do. Good luck. I hate that. Like, I can't stand the job market at all. And this is what being from corporate America is like when you're on the outside. Now you have to scrounge to try to find a way to feed you and your family and secure things. Because nothing outside of your own control is 100%. Everything is a liability. Right? And they ask you, why are you so passionate about trading? Because we don't have to deal with this BS out here anymore. We don't have to deal with that. But it's just the audacity of some of these people, man. I mean, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I try to work for a call center. Oh my God, let me tell you something. Those are the strongest people in the world. You got to have amazing patience and resilience to work at a call center, bro. I tried it for a month. I like, nah, y'all got it. Ain't no way you gonna talk to me like that. You don't know who you are. You know what you're talking about. Look, man, let me tell you something, pimp. Check this out, pimp. You ain't gonna be talking to me like you lost your damn mind. You did what I'm trying to tell you. Hey, it didn't work out. I don't know. I don't know how y'all do it. Shout out to you if you work at a call center. Y'all the strongest people in the world, bro. I do not have the patience for that. But anyways, back to trading. Secure your back, right? You need stability. You need something not necessarily to get rich off of, but you need something to pay your rent and your utilities. Now, what does that mean for me? That means I'm about to do the same. But I'm not going to be doing it in America. I'm just keeping it a buck with you. This channel is not about me lying to you. What for? I'm not about to get on this app. Yeah, I got it all figured out. All you need is trend lines, and this is it. And I'm making millions. I'm not. I'm a trader. I'm trying to get a job. The point of this channel was not for me to convince you to fully watch my content because you think I got it figured out. That is not what this channel is. This channel is me telling you, hey, I'm about to document this entire thing. Now, when I first started this channel, I was balling. I was 6-figure balling. You dig? I had a corporate gig already. It wasn't like I needed trading. And that's the problem. That's why my trading was suffering because I need that for. Whatever. I play around with it like a hobby. Those past 8 years where I was at this company, What if I just focused that all in on trading and had a regular job in the beginning? Where would I be in life right now? You gotta think about that stuff, right? Not saying it's a bad thing, but it's also like, yo, like, what are we doing? We put so much emphasis on these careers, man, and then you see like at AWS, just overnight, gone. You know, and these are professionals. These are people who are great at what they do. Like, wait a minute. I was just living a good life. Gone. Got Thanos. That's what we call it. I got Thanos too. Gone. Everything I knew. That's where we are, guys. This is real. This is real life that you're witnessing. You're about to watch me leave this house that I grew up in, sell it, move overseas, try to find a way to stabilize, and then build from there. This is the real trader's ambition. This is what it's about. My original design for this channel was always a ship leaving somewhere. And that's exactly what I'm doing. And you're coming with me. And this is what happens. It's life, right? It's life. Am I sad to leave? Absolutely. I gave it my all. Am I done? Not at all. You know, who's to say next week in the story might change. It might be something totally different. Like, yo, it worked out. I can't believe it. You know, it might change. Like I said, recruiters are hitting me up all the time. So much so that, you know, you just get tired of having that same conversation. How's it going today? I'm doing well. How are you? I'm good. How you doing? Hey, I'm good. Tell me about yourself. I'm gonna tell you the same thing about yourself that I've been telling you all the time. I tell you the same exact thing. Oh, that sounds awesome. Okay, well, we're gonna try to represent. Okay, cool. Can I have the interview? How's it going today? I'm good. We're gonna be all right, yo. Trader's ambition is about to be dope. You know, I'll tell you where I'm going once I secure the decision. I'm not gonna stress out anymore. You get to that point after a while, you're like, man, you know what? You will be in uncertainty for so long that eventually you start to realize, like, you know what? I can get through this. You know, after 8 years at that company, I've forgotten what it was like. And to go through and survive out here on the outskirts of society while trying to survive, it's different. Me leaving is not me giving up, right? I've done it before. This time it's a little bit different, but this time we're gonna have fun about it. And I'm actually excited about it, to be real with you. Like, I'm excited, dude. Like, I feel like, yo, we're about to have some amazing stories on this channel. This channel about to be dope. Like, yo, you see what this dude is at? Like, oh, I had no idea. Walk by faith, not by sight. And I'm not saying go out there and wild out. I'm saying go out there and make this work. I got a couple homeboys who've done the same. Shout out to Jeff. Jeff is a dope trader. He's actually my mentor. I've known him for years. And I told him, well, you know, I've been keeping in contact with him. He was like, yeah, man, you know, you can make it happen. Stop talking about it. Fuck you, Jeff. But he's right. You know, I got a few other homeboys say the same thing. Like, bro, you a dope trader. What are you doing? Yeah, you know, but I got a job. I got to get back into the job market. I got to get back on my computer stuff. But God has a way of redirecting you, even when you don't think, man. You don't think you're through. You're ready. You know, I didn't want to do this. Nah, you going that way. No, you going that way. All right, I guess I'm going this way. And then let me know how you feel about this video. I mean, this is just the real life version of me. This is not scripted. I'm not doing that anymore. This is who we are. We're people. We all go through hardships. And some of us just gotta be bold enough to admit them. That being said, my name is Bruce Rain, and this is Trader's Ambition. I don't know where we're going, but I'm gonna make it dope. You dig? Thank you.